Today we have an excellent, unique spec on this Bentley GT. This one finished in royal ebony on the outside, a two-tone interior, and this one has the 6-liter twin-turbo W12 under the hood. Starting first on the outside with this incredible paint, it's a gray metallic with also shades of blue as well as violet. It's a paint that looks great in any light, but especially direct sun. This one has some exterior carbon fiber, including the front splitter, the side skirts, the back lip, as well as the rear diffuser. Gray metallic exterior details, including the front grille, the rings around the crystal headlights, on the fender, the window trim, and all of the trim in the rear. The wheels are paint matched to the trim, and the calipers for the massive carbon ceramic brakes are painted in black. Silver Bentley badge on the back, silver Bentley badge on the hood. A detail I love is the no B-pillar design. A look under the hood at the hand-built 6-liter twin-turbo W12 engine making 650 horsepower, and the factory Krapovich exhaust. You'll hear that at the end of the video. On the inside, the blue leather goes all throughout, including on the steering wheel, upper part of the dash, on the door panels, on the front seats, back seats, and the center console. The full headliners finished in blue Alcantara. A look at the diamond design on the doors, speed printed on each headrest, same thing on the dash. The diamond turn trim in the center, Bentley B on the shifter. A look at the analog Bentley clock, the center infotainment screen. And with the press of a button, that screen flips over to reveal 3 analog gauges, one for outside temperature, one as a compass, and one as a stopwatch. A look at the fully digital instrument cluster with 220 on the speedometer, a heated steering wheel, and a POV look from the driver's seat.